Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 2nd, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles remain. The binary, the tectonic. In Dutch they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one, you are interested, it's a 4-star Sudoku. Alright, and this will be number 6050. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. By the way, for a 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s, 2 5s. No, 4 5s. Alright. 3 6s, 4 6s, wow. 2 7s, 1 8, and 3 9s. So the 5 and the 6s are a majority. Can I start with the 5? Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 5 5 5 5 5 5. Alright, the first column we have here 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers. In the first column, one of the missing number in the first column is the number 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here another 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there, here or there in the first column. Here or there, we have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. How about the 6s? 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. Cannot continue with the 6, need to wait. 7 2 3 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 6 6, okay. 2 9 7 5 3 1 2 4 4. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes here, 4 in the last column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a pair now, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, and the 2 in this row, the 2 and the 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. There's a pair, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Alright. So here we need a 5. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. Can I count? And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5, alright. Okay. 9, 6, 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 3. 5. 4, 1, 8, 4, 1, 8, 8, 8. Let me think. 1, 1, 9, 9. Need a 9. 9, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this first row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 3, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. Third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this column. So no 3 and 7 in this box. The 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column. Second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 7 goes there, so 1 digit left. In the third row for number 8. Okay. 8, 8. We have a pair. 7 and 8 in the third column. 7 and 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2. 9. 6 and 4. Alright. 8, 8. Well. We have a pair, the 1 and the 3. So we have the 1 and the 3 in the third row, the 1 and the 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. So what are these three missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. And look, we have 8 and 9 in this column, so no 8 and 9 in this box. The 8 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. So one digit left in this big square for number 7. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, no only 2 places left for the 7s will be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. 3, 6. Do we have all the 7s? No. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Well. 1, 9, 2, 6. Okay, and now 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in this row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. 1, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 1 in the in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means these 2 missing numbers are in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. 8 and 9, we have an 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 now in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9, okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, now only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in a row above, so that row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. 1, 2, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. 4 and the 6, 4 and 6. 4 and 6, yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers in the second row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. One box left in this big square for the amount of 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 and 4, we have a 4 now in the set column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 4, 4, 4, 4. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. One box left in this column for the amount of 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next down, we place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Then. Let me think. 2 and 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 here in the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, is this really 4 stars? Well, I don't think so. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.